Stay with me.
Hello guys, it's me Ninja and welcome to my new video. So hope you guys can enjoy the video. So if you do, hit the like button and comment whatever you like. So with that, let's start today's video with the first anime on our list, Grimoire of Zero. So in this anime world, there is a constant fight between humans and witches. Because of that, some witches cursed humans. That's why some humans started to born with animal powers. Humans or witches doesn't really like those animal humans. Witches mostly capture them and experiment on them. Because of that, they started hunting witches too. In this anime story, our main character, he is also one of those animal humans. As for him, he doesn't really wants to go against any witches. He tried to stay far away from all of that. But one day, he came across one witch, one really powerful witch, and our heroine in this anime. So she was searching for something. So at first, our main character doesn't really wants to get involved with her. But after that, our heroine hired him for her searching mission. So now, both of them are in a journey to find our heroine's grimoire. So what gonna happen in their journey? To find out, obviously, have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Heavy Object. In this anime story, humans have created some enormous robots to fight in wars. So those robots are so strong, normal weapons doesn't really have any effect on them. So now in this anime story, our main character, he is working on one of those robots. So he is studying about those robots, analyzing them and all of that stuff. But one day, our main character found himself in a tricky situation when one of those enemy robots started attacking their camp. But still, our main character, with his knowledge, somehow managed to defeat that robot, seriously risking his life too. But still, people in high ranks got hold of that information and kind of forcefully, they started sending our main character in this life-threatening robot destruction missions. But he is not really that alone. There is our heroine in this anime. She pilots one of the friendly robots. She also helped our main character in different occasions. So this anime, it's kinda good. It's all about our main character destroying those robots in kinda unique ways. So yeah, try it out. Kinda good, as I say. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Medica Box. So this anime story takes place in a high school where our heroine goes to. As for our heroine, she have everything. She is pretty, she is intelligent and athletic, with that super strong too, and obviously popular among everyone. So in this anime story, our heroine wants to help everyone. That's why she runs for the student council president and easily win that. After that, our heroine forced our main character, her best friend, to join the student council president. So now both of them gonna start solving different problems for the other students. So in this high school, students have lot of problems and our heroine gonna solve few of them in this 12 episode series. So it's a kinda good one, try it out. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Morbito. In this anime story, there is a thing in history, some special monsters have born. Because of them, humans have suffered some great losses. At past, they did manage to kill that monster to make everything better again. So now, starting in this anime, a water demon have appeared. Because of that, lot of bad things are happening. After that, they found out the prince of this kingdom is the source of all the wrongdoing. He is the water demon. That's why his father, the emperor, decided to sacrifice him. On the other hand, our heroine in this anime, she is a really great warrior. So she came to this city for some business and saved our main character without knowing anything about him. This anime story, it's all about our heroine and the prince, our main character's journey. So in this journey, both of them gonna go to different places and she also have to save our main character from a lot of people. So it's a kinda good one. The story is really good, so try it out. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Quality Code. In this anime story, some special being started to attack Earth. So now, to protect the future of humans, they put all of the children in a cryogenic sleep. After that, several years have passed and humans have kinda managed to get a foothold. That's why they decided to bring back the children's, wake them up again from their cryogenic sleep. But they found out all of the children's have developed some special supernatural powers. So now, from all of the children's, they have chosen 6 strong ones and given them the frontline roles. So now, starting in this anime, few of our main characters started to fight against each other. So with that infighting, how they gonna save all of the humans from those monsters? To find out, you have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Chrome Shelled Regios. So this anime story takes place in a post-apocalyptic situation where because of some monster attacks, now humans live in a bunker type cities, and finally they have managed to create some weapons that have the ability to harm those monsters. So now in this anime story, our main character, he is trying to start a new life, trying to forget his past. So his past, it's not really that something, but still you have to watch the anime to find out about it. But our heroine in this anime somehow managed to get hold of our main character's past, and she also took a liking to it. So now she wants our main character to join her team to kill those monsters. So what's gonna happen between them? To find out, you have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is The Secret Blacksmith. In this anime story, there used to be some people who made contract with demons and got some really serious demonic powers from them. So a lot of fight between good and evil happened and good peoples win. So now in this anime story, our heroine's father used to be a protector of sort, used to guard the city, and now our heroine gonna start doing the same job. Because of that, she got a special sword from her father, but on her first battle, that sword broke. Still, she managed to survive out of that battle because of our main character. After that, she gone to a blacksmith to repair that sword, and she found out there is only one person who can repair it. Obviously, that person is our main character in this anime. So he is super good blacksmith in this anime, and with that, he is super good with swords too. So now, our heroine on a journey to find the blacksmith, our main character in this anime. So she gonna find him soon enough. After that, both of them and few others gonna make a team and start doing something else. So it's a decent one, try it out. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna talk about in this video, but the video itself, it's not over yet. So there are quite a few animes in this list I'm not gonna commentary on, so you can enjoy the anime with some good old music. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna showcase in this video. Hope you guys found something good to watch, and see you in the next one.